This is Tyler falling asleep watching TV, the Food Network channel. Listen to him snore. We have a snorer on our hands. The little one likes to snore. He snores really loud, doesn't he?
And he snores really loud.
Tyler! I can't believe you fell asleep watching the Food Network channel. I can't believe he was watching the Food Network channel. Let's see.
He always watches it.
He does.
Mm-hmm.
What are you eating?
Cookie?
Is it good?
Yeah. Chocolate and vanilla. And it used to have mint.
But you ate all the mint?
Mm-hmm.
Oh look, he stopped snoring. Okay, say bye.
Peace out.
That was awesome.